Hi friends, we are once again with another new episode in Unplug with Visha Mani. And in this series, we have the teenagers with us who just want to voice out their opinion about their age. We have Tanmay here and Agrim. They are all in grade 8.
My name is Vijay Rai. I am from grade 8.
My name is Sachleen. I'm from grade 7.
I'm Krish from grade 7.
So let's begin. Yes, Agrim. It must have been a beautiful journey for you to transcend from the childhood to that of the teenager,
Yes,
isn't it? Is it anything different actually?
Yes, ma'am, there's something different. Like in grade 3, we used to cycle with our parents. But now we don't need our parents and we cycle with our friends in the road.
Yeah.
That's a different thing. We experience this new thing. But recently in lockdown, due to COVID-19, we could sit in our home. We couldn't go to school. We couldn't meet our friends. That's a good thing because we could spend our time with our family, play some games. But there was also that we couldn't write anything.
Yeah.
And due to this, nowadays, some people are left behind and they couldn't complete their work.
There are certain skill sets that you have learned which made you independent, and there are certain skill sets which have been detrimental to you, like writing has become a problem.
To be honest, every girl in the world can say that this transition, no one likes it because puberty has many bad changes. But the good changes are like you can socialize with people. Example in Inside Out 2, if kids also watch, they can learn about their future. So I'm gonna go with it's good with friends when you're in good company.
So I'm becoming better and better. But now I have improved myself in studies, in sports, etc.
So from grade 5th to grade 8, there has been a tremendous improvement. That's what you feel?
I have now become more smarter. I have now road knowledge. I can go independently and I can travel alone.
So independence is something that you believe that you've acquired. Am I right?
Yes.
The lockdown has started in third or fourth. That time, during the lockdown period, we used to play with our family. We learn new things like cooking. Now, we have seen our parents working a lot
Yeah.
and not have time for each other. Whole family don't have time for
Each other. So that is something that you're missing. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, Abhijay. Your name itself is so beautiful. Having said that, tell me one thing. Do you find this teenage a bit of a challenge, especially in what area do you find this as a challenge?
I just find this as a challenge because I don't have time for myself because it's like running and keep running. Because when you come from school, you don't get time to rest and you have to go out to other tuitions for 4 hours. There is no time to be with your friends and enjoy yourself a little bit.
Okay.
So I don't consider it as a challenge. I feel like I like challenges. My father wants me to become a doctor and my mother wants that I can become anything I want. There are no such challenges, but in some places like the society gives us pressure to become a doctor or an engineer. So I don't like that because the mentality has been continuing from the 90s and now the generation has changed.
I think this is a challenge for me because there is school pressure, tuition pressure, teachers running fast a lot.
You mean the subjects that they teach is being taught at a very rapid pace. Am I right?
Yes.
On social media, everyone is like acne is ugly. They just do laser and everything, and then they just show that people who are growing, they look very ugly. And I think that is not good because this happens with everyone and it's natural. I feel like these challenges are hard, but then I see that generations of women in my family, they all coped with the challenges. So why can't I also do that?
We feel all types of pressure, school pressure, environmental pressure, peer pressure, but the main pressure is the parent pressure.
Okay.
Because we mainly stay at home, we have time limit to play games. We go down, we don't have allowed phone, we can play games, but we only have a time limit to go down like 1 hour, 2 hour. So we should change that. We should play more games because we need energy, we need to improve our health. There's another problem that if you have a younger sibling, then she'll get more love than you.
Okay.
And then you need to face that challenge. That you need that love.
Okay. I understand. I fully agree with you what you say. Is it a challenge or are they disciplining you?
Ma'am, they are mainly disciplining me. They are worried that how can he face challenge because I don't eat that much food. I don't eat home food. So they are worried that how will he eat in hostel? How will he eat in college? They are very worried that if I don't study, then they always say that please study, don't watch phones. They are a little worried, but that's a challenge that I face.
Okay, that's a challenge that you face. Yeah, thank you for this bringing out this beautiful concept of parental pressure, basically. And I really understand the way where it comes from, especially with a sibling. But they have to be.
Yes,
Am I right? Okay, yeah. Thank you.